Okay, hello dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So I got this in the mail. It's called the Smart XE, a gimbal stabilizer. And I need something super duper small, so I searched online mini gimbal. So I found this one. I think it is good, and the actually it is gooder than good. It is better than I expected. It is it has more function than I was asking for, and it outsmarts me. It makes me look like I am the dummy one. Okay, so this is the first day I got it, and I want to try it. I just finished my work, so I went to a neighborhood museum, a kind of a cafeteria inside, in front of the museum, and I finished work, so it's already quite late, 5-6 o'clock. Not so many people, but there were huge traffic noise, so I am doing a voiceover of it, so you will enjoy a little bit of the better sound quality with some background of the car. So this is the first day. I did not know anything about it, and I am a person that do not use any menu and things. My family is different. They read the menu like a case study, PhD case study. I took everything just to plug in and play, and that's it. I plug in and play. So I went outside, and this one is myself walking without gimbal, without it. And since I am relatively YouTube junkie, so I know how to make video stabilize, but still there is a teeny tiny little bit of shakiness. Now in front of you right now, right here, is the second footage that I put on the gimbal, the very first prime virgin use of this gimbal. And there is no function I am playing around. I am not playing around with any of the buttons. I just want to use it as a stabilizer and just to put on the cell phone and use it. So I feel that it makes the image feels there is no change in quality of the image, but mostly in the movement, in the transition. I was walking in fast speed, lower speed, and I was walking on grass, so it's not very flat, and you can see the movement or the flow of the video is quite smooth, don't you think so? There is not a sudden change or sudden shake, sudden up and down, and there is this resistance in it. It's kind of delaying any changement. In Chinese we call it 阻尼. I feel that 阻尼is like you close the door, especially if you work with a German company, German door, German cabinet. You close it, it does not close immediately. It's like there is a spring in it or resistance of the movement. So that's what I feel. I was running, I was walking and with all kinds of movement, but I feel it's quite smooth. Don't you think so? Thank you very, very, very much. My prime use, my première use.